Welcome to our channel Homes Decor Designs. Today, we'll share with you the guidance on maximizing small spaces with stunning garden ideas. Don't let limited outdoor areas discourage you from creating a lush and inviting garden. In fact, small spaces offer unique opportunities for creativity and ingenuity. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a compact backyard, or just a small corner, we have gathered the top 10 garden ideas specifically designed to make the most of your limited space. Get ready to be inspired and transform your small area into a green oasis that will leave you in awe. Here, these the top 10 garden ideas for small spaces. 1. Vertical gardens. Utilize vertical space with trellises, wall-mounted planters, or hanging baskets. 2. Container gardening. Opt for pots, planters, or troughs to grow a variety of plants in a confined area. 3. Hanging gardens. Hang planters or create suspended gardens to maximize space and add visual interest. 4. Herb gardens. Grow your favorite herbs in small pots or a dedicated herb spiral for fresh flavors right at your fingertips. 5. Miniature fairy gardens. Create enchanting miniature landscapes with tiny plants, accessories, and fairy houses. Window boxes. Install window boxes outside your windows for a beautiful display of flowers or herbs. 6. Vertical herb garden wall. Build a vertical herb garden using a pallet or trellis, perfect for compact outdoor areas. 7. Terrariums. Design captivating terrariums with low-maintenance plants, adding a touch of nature indoors. 8. Espalier fruit trees. Train fruit trees against a wall or fence in a horizontal pattern to save space and create an artistic feature. 9. Succulent gardens. Embrace the beauty of succulents with a captivating succulent garden, ideal for small spaces due to their low water requirements. With these top 10 garden ideas for small spaces, there are no limits to what you can achieve in your limited outdoor area. Embrace your creativity, experiment with different plant combinations, and make the most of vertical and container gardening techniques. Remember, even the smallest space can become a vibrant and inviting garden sanctuary. So, get your gardening tools ready, choose your favorite ideas. Embark on the journey of transforming your small space into a breathtaking garden retreat that will bring you joy and tranquility for years to come. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.